Let's take another problem. Let's now try to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. This is known as the inverted half pyramid. Again, the technique is going to be the same. I'm going to divide this problem into rows and columns. Instead of going from rows 1 to 5, I'm going to go from rows 5 to 1. So this would be row 5, row 4, row 3, row 2, and row 1. And this would be column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. You can also go from rows 1 to 5, but the logic is going to be slightly complicated than going from rows 5 to 1. As you can see, row 5 has 5 columns filled, row 4 has 4 columns filled, row 3 has 3 columns filled, row 2 has 2 columns filled, and row 1 has 1 column filled. My program is going to look as follows. So for row equals to 5, row greater than or equals to 1, row minus minus. So using this, I can access 5 rows. For column equals to 1, column less than or equals to row, column column plus plus, printf percentile d, comma, column. Printf new line. So let's see how this works. The outer loop says that row goes from 5 to 1 in steps of 1. Therefore, you get 5 values for rows. And that's going to be row equals to 5, row equals to 4, row is 3, row is 2, and row is 1. Now when row is 5, the outer loop passes, or the condition in the outer loop passes, you move into the inner loop, and basically you have this one here. Column equals to 1, column less than or equals to 5, column plus plus. So you can access 5 columns. So when row is 5, column can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you are printing the value of column. Therefore, it's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, for every iteration of the inner loop, you're printing the value of column. Therefore, you get this pattern here. When column is 6, the condition fails, and you go to the new line. Here, row is 4. Therefore, column goes from 1 to 4. You can access 4 columns and display them. When column is 5, this condition fails. You exit the inner loop, print a new line, or go to the next line where and here your row is decremented, it becomes 3. So you have your column goes from 1 to 3. Therefore, column can be 1, column 2, column 3. Display the value of column and go to the next line, and you can consecutively do row 4 and row 5, or row 2 and row 1. This is how you can display the pattern here.